Stop listening to these folks on YouTube. They are lying to you about compound growth. Wait a second. I did a video on compound growth too. Okay, look, don't worry about that. You can trust me. Now, seriously, they lied not about compound growth actually working, because it absolutely does work, but because they told you how it works for them and acted like it would work the same way for you. And guess what? It won't. Not if you're starting with $200 a month. Not if you're starting from zero. Not if you're doing what every financial guru on the internet told you to do. Here's what they told you. Start early. Invest consistently. Be patient. Let compound growth do the work. And in 40 years, you'll be rich. As in 4 times 10. 40. Meanwhile, someone else drops $50,000 into the same exact fund today and makes more money in the next 12 months than you'll save in 3 years. That's not a strategy. That's a head start. And if you don't have the head start, waiting 40 years isn't the answer. Getting to the head start is. If this is your first time watching, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let me show you why compound growth only works when you have real capital and why your entire focus should be on getting there fast. Here's the math they show you in every compound growth calculator on the internet. Invest $200 a month, get a 10% annual return, and do this for 30 years. And at the end, you'll have around $450,000. Sounds amazing, right? Except they conveniently forget to mention 3 things. Number 1, inflation is eating your returns the entire time. That $450,000 in 30 years has the buying power of maybe $250,000 today. Maybe. Number 2, you invested $72,000 of your own money over those same 30 years. So your capital gain is $178,000 in today's dollars. That's 147% return over 3 decades. Not terrible. Number 3, and this is the big one. While you're waiting 30 years to see results, someone who started with $50,000 is already there. Let me show you the real math. So let's take person A. Person A invests $200 a month for 10 years at 10% annual returns. Total after 10 years is about $41,000. Now let's take person B. Person B drops $50,000 in year 1 and contributes nothing else. After 10 years, that's about $130,000. Same market, same fund, same 10 years. Person B ends up with 3 times more money despite only contributing twice as much. By year 15, person B hits $200,000, while person A is trucking along to $83,000. By year 20, person B is at $336,000, while person A is at $152,000. Person B is now earning $33,000 a year in passive income. That's more than a lot of people's salaries. And they stopped contributing maybe 20 years ago. This is the part nobody explains. Compound growth isn't linear, it's exponential. And exponential growth explodes when you front load capital. If you don't have the capital to front load, compound growth is working slowly. But could it go faster? The problem isn't compound growth at all. The problem is you're trying to use it before you have enough capital for it to actually work. Think about it. Compound growth on $5,000 at 10% annually gives you $500 a year. Compound growth on $50,000 at 10% annually gives you $5,000 a year. Compound growth on $100,000 at 10% annually gives you $10,000 a year. Same rate, same strategy, completely different results. This is why the wealthy talk about compound growth like it's magic, because for them, it is. $10,000 in passive income while they sleep is life-changing. But $500 a year, well, it isn't changing no one's life, and it's barely covering one car payment. So here's what nobody tells you. Compound growth isn't the strategy when you're starting small. Getting to the money is the strategy. There's a number where compound growth actually starts to matter most. I call it the acceleration point. For most people, that number is around $50,000 to $100,000. Once you hit that point, compound growth becomes a tool instead of a hope. At this point, you're making real money without doing anything. Absolutely nothing. But if you're investing $200 a month, it takes you 13 years to even reach $50,000. 13 years just to get to the starting line where compound growth actually works best. That's the lie. That's what they sell you. That compound growth can work so crazy magic before you even have enough capital for it to work. Like their illustrations promise. Not me. I'm being straight up. So the question isn't, how do I make compound growth with $200 a month? The question is, how do I get to $50,000 or $100,000 as fast as humanly possible so compound growth can actually work for me? Once you understand this, your entire strategy shifts. You stop thinking about small monthly contributions. You start thinking about building liquidity and building it fast. You stop asking, what index fund should I pick? You start asking, how do I accelerate my path to $50,000 or $100,000? Because here's what's interesting. Once you have $50,000 or $100,000, you have options. You can put it in an index fund at 10% annually, or you can deploy it strategically at 12%, 15%, even 20% annually. 50% at 16% annually is $8,000. Same capital, different deployment, 60% more return. But you can't access those higher returns until you have the capital. This is why wealthy people invest in private deals, real estate, businesses, notes, investments that return 15% to 25%. So if you're starting small, here's what you need to understand. Your goal isn't to make compound growth work with $200 a month. Your goal is to build liquidity as fast as possible so you can reach the acceleration point. Once you're there, compound growth becomes a powerful tool. So how do you get there fast? Definitely not by saving $200 a month for 13 years. You get there by understanding how to use strategic debt to shorten the time frame, how to use velocity of money to accelerate your growth, and how to build liquidity systems that work for you. I've seen people in our community go from $0 to $50,000 in 12 to 24 months. Not by working 3 jobs, not by side hustles, by understanding how money actually flows and using it strategically. Will, he made $50,000 in 12 months. Eltis, he did $18,000 in 120 days. They didn't wait 13 years for compound growth to work. They built liquidity fast, then they deployed it. Compound growth works, but it does marvelous wonders when large amounts of capital are being deployed. Yeah, $200 a month for 30 years will absolutely make you money. There is absolutely no denying that. But it won't make you wealthy. $50,000 or $100,000 deployed strategically and compounded intelligently will change your life. So stop trying to make compound growth work with small money. Start focusing on getting to the big dollars. That's the real strategy. If you're serious about building liquidity fast and reaching that acceleration point, then you should join our free community. We teach you exactly how to do this. The link is in the description. Listen guys, I'm Anitra Preston. and I can't wait to see you on the inside of our community.